why I filmed. Because what the view of the video did not see, that when Kasha was walking and I was walking on the other side, she tripped on these most dangerous hazards 2 or 3 times. And then when I took out my camera, she somehow adopted her.
Again.
It's okay, I don't want you to break a neck. Aye, 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 aye. Like London.